Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Josh and I'm so happy to be making a new video because we have made another step in my Amazon FBA journey. So for those of you who are new to the channel, thank you very much for subscribing, for viewing my videos. I'm very happy that this channel is growing. We're nearly at 100 subs as well, which is awesome, getting people on board with my journey. So my last video was me talking about how I've got an appointment for my business bank opening. So if you're new to FBA, when you make a limited company, you need a business bank for it. So I've made the appointment, I've got that, and ever since, here's the update guys, I have got the business bank open. So we are making progress. It is super exciting guys. So basically I'll just talk you through what happened. I'll try and give you the best of my knowledge. We are getting closer and closer, so let's get into it. So I made the appointment with Barclays. I don't really know why I chose Barclays out of all the other banks, but I think it was just hearing everyone complain about all the other ones, about like delayed times and all these other things that why you shouldn't go with them. So I chose Barclays, got the appointment. I went to the appointment with my parent, who's gonna be well, I'll talk as in now. So my parent is the full owner of the business bank, but I will obviously have access to it. They're just sort of helping me out. So the meeting was really good. We had a really nice lady and she just asked about the business. So she asked about FBA. I had to explain the whole process. I had to kind of just think about everything I had learned and actually teach the lady who was doing like the meeting. So it was really cool. I explained, what we're gonna do with the business, and then I had to talk about projected turnover. Where do I think the business is going in a year, 5 years, and beyond? And just, yeah, it was just really like super cool. It was super exciting, much better than I thought the meeting was gonna be. I thought it'd be some boring meeting. We'd just be going through legal stuff, but no, we actually had like a great chat. So if you're worried about your business bank opening like meeting, you're not sure what's gonna happen, with Barclays, if you go with Barclays, do not be stressed at all. It was amazing. So it couldn't have gone smoother. And then we had to write some personal details and then just tell them a few details about how much capital I'm putting in the business. So for me, it's going to be around 3,000. I was originally, when I first started the journey, going to put in 1.5k, but I just want to put in 3. I want to have enough for everything, guys. And a lot of people tell you can start with like 1,000. Just don't listen. That is not enough. There are too many hidden costs that will just destroy you if you go in with only 1,000. So after the meeting, they said, oh, by the way, the meeting was about an hour, maybe a bit less. So after the meeting, they said, in a couple of weeks, 1 or 2, you will get a text and an email saying that the bank is open, and then after that you'll start receiving all of your sort of letters. So for Barclays, that is a welcome letter, your debit card, your PIN number, and your checkbook, and then your online banking details. So to cut to the chase, guys, we got the checkbook. That is the Barclays checkbook. It's super nice, like it's really great quality. We got a debit card user guide that came with a debit card. Got a nice welcome letter. And then, other than that, I got the debit card, the PIN, and I'm waiting on the online business banking details. The one thing I actually need to get going. So if you want to know the next steps, if you're not sure what you're doing in the process, I'll just describe what I'm going to do. So now the business bank is open and I'm just waiting on the online details. I'm going to, as soon as they come through the door, which should be this week, within the next couple of days, and just for your reference, this is Tuesday the 4th. Yeah, Tuesday the 24th, just so you know like kind of where we are in a timeline. And my previous video was a few days after the actual recording date. So it took like maybe 2 weeks exactly to get my details. So, but I'm still waiting on the online bank. So once I've got those, I will hop online straight away. I'll get logged in, sort everything out, and I will buy Jungle Scout. And they've currently got a $10 off deal on the Chrome extension, which is just amazing timing. Couldn't be any better timing. So I'll get Jungle Scout, and that is it, guys. I will start product research, and that is the next step. So I'm super excited, and I hope you're enjoying this process, this whole journey of me documenting, me teaching you about the steps a 16-year-old takes to start FBA, and this will obviously apply to any of you at any age. So once you get your business bank, wait a couple of weeks and you'll get the details, and then you'll be able to go. I wouldn't recommend getting Jungle Scout before the business bank is open, just because of accounting wise. You want to keep all your business purchases in the business bank, so it kind of, that just like makes it weird accounting wise. But that's just my opinion. A lot of people do buy Jungle Scout first, but that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna wrap the video up, guys. I'm very grateful for all the messages, all the love, all the subscribers, and all the comments on my videos while I've been waiting for my business bank to be open. But it is finally open, so I'm super excited to get going and start properly. So up till now, it's just been kind of wishy-washy. We're going to start FBA, blah blah blah, but now we've got a limited company, we've got the business bank, and we are go time. So that made no sense. I really hope you enjoyed, guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to keep up with my journey. I'm 16, I want to be an entrepreneur, I'm gonna be an entrepreneur, and we're gonna live a life of financial freedom and just amazing fulfillment. It is gonna be great, guys, and I want you to come along on my journey with this. So I'll see you in the next video, which will be maybe I'll do another little update video when the online bank details are up, just to keep you guys constantly updated. So I'll catch you then.